Next we will pass current liabilities. Okay, so for current liabilities we need to make two ledgers, which is provision for tax and provision for payroll. Okay, and we also have to add a sundry creditor, which is new age LLP. So now let's just go to chart of accounts and add these ledgers. Here we have to add provision for taxes in accounts payable. We already have a payroll payable, so we do not have to create it. We will just create a tax payable. Here our new ledger has been created. Now let's go to supplier list, and here we will add our new supplier, which is New Age LLP. Edit in full page. Here we will add details of supplier. Supplier group, we will select services. Unregistered, we will select company only. Then allow purchase invoice without server order, and this one also. Okay, so here we will save it. We also have to create an item for this, like it's supplying housekeeping services, so we have to create housekeeping as an item also. But before that we will add the address of the supplier. Here I don't have proper address, so I will just write Delhi, and in city town also I will write Delhi. In state I will write Delhi again, and in postal code I will give a random postal code of Delhi, which is 110023. And in country we have to select India, and here we have to select Delhi in GST state. Okay, now we will prefer this address for shipping and billing both, and then we will save this. Okay, now let's just go and create an item for this customer. Here we will give the code 005, and in the name we will write housekeeping services. We don't know the HSN, so we will left it blank. Then in item group we will select services, and we will check this is service item. Okay, now we will give it as an expense account. So in expense account we will select utility expenses, and then we will save it. Now let's go to the journal entry and pass the journal entry for this current liabilities also. Okay, so here we will go to the journal entry list, and here we will add new, and then we will select opening entry in the entry type. And as we do not want all this account, we will just delete them like this. and then we will add new accounts, which is tax payable, which is 5,000. Then we will here add payroll payable, which was 35,000. Then we will add creditors, and in creditors we will select party type as supplier, and in party we have to select new age LLP, and we will give amount 29,500. And then we will click on make difference entry, and here we will select temporary opening account. Then we will just save this. Now let's just click on this view to check the effects of this entry. Okay, so here we can see 69,500 has been added to opening balance. Okay, now we will go to accounts payable report to see the actual figure of accounts payable. Here you can see new age LLP is added without any bill or bill date and due date. Okay, you can also see the summary. See, new age LLP has been added without any aging. Okay, now let's just go back to the journal entry and pass the remaining entry also. Next we will have to pass fixed asset. Okay, so first we have to go to the chart of accounts and see how many do we already have and how many which we have to create. Okay, so in chart of accounts we can here see that we have buildings, capital equipments, electronic equipments, furniture and fixture, and office equipments. Okay, and we have air conditioner, cell phone, computer. We can add this in electronic equipments only, and for electrical fittings we can also add it in electronic equipments, and furniture we can use furniture and fixtures, and office equipments we have separate ledger for it. So let's just make it a group. We have to uncheck this account type, and now we have to reload, and let's just again go back to the chart of accounts. And edit the electronic equipments, and here we will uncheck this, and then we will convert it to a group. Okay, then we will save it. Now you can see electronic equipments have been made a group. Now let's just add child. We will add computer, Then we will again add cell phone. Now let's just add air conditioner.